So just swapped out the extruders and the Qidi iFast here, and I was going to do a quick bed leveling, and I thought I'd show you how you go through that. So first you're going to want to push that lever over to the left and feel for friction under the extruder as you normally would. Now, one thing I ran into is this was all the way down on the right side. So when I went to go adjust the left side and I wanted to adjust the bed a bit, I had no movement in the right side. So what I did is I backed the right side off about a turn, maybe a turn and a half, and that allowed me the travel I needed to properly adjust. But once you got the right side done, you do the same thing with the left side. You're just going to move the cam lever over there. Feel for friction under the extruder. Make sure you're not under the other extruder. Not that you should be. It's lifted up at this point, but... And then you're going to give it a little adjust, either clockwise to lower it down or counterclockwise to raise it up. Now, I'd already pre-leveled these when I had it on before, so they are pretty in tune, so I don't need to make many adjustments, but just so you know how to do it, and so you know what I had to do to make sure I did it correctly the first time. Hope you enjoyed the video.